Welcome to All Kids TV.
He came with a message so bright and so clear, a light for all hearts, a love so sincere. Muhammad the Prophet sent to you and me, a mercy for the world. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, Rahmatun Lil'Alameen. Oh, what a gift you've been, guiding us through the night. Shine love so bright. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, forever in our hearts you'll be, a blessing for humanity, our prophet truly free. Truly free. He taught us compassion for every soul in need, to care for the orphan and plant the smallest seed. His wisdom a treasure, His kindness divine, a mercy for the world, His love is a sign. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, oh what a gift you've been, guiding us through the night. Shine love so bright. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, forever in our hearts you'll be, a blessing for humanity, our prophet truly free. Truly free. He showed us the way to live with peace and harmony, a life of love and service in Allah's tranquility. Oh prophet of mercy, our hearts sing your praise, forever and always we'll follow your way. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, oh what a gift you've been, guiding us through the night. Shine love so bright. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, forever in our hearts you'll be, a blessing for humanity, our prophet truly free. Muhammad, oh prophet, your light will never fade. In our hearts and prayers, your love will always stay. Rahmatun Lil'Alameen, mercy for all mankind. In your footsteps, peace will always find. Free, free.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.